नन्दिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बि.
Could you able to feel that bliss? People call it, more than happiness. There is one more feeling, it is called bliss. When you are detached from all the things, physical body, mental body, inside, outside, you detach everything. You go beyond all of this. You will be in a state of Sada Shiva, where nothing can touch, nothing can harm. So blissful, joyful. Something you want to be there all the time. Because that is our true nature. Our true nature. Could you able to feel that? At least we could able to touch it. So it should happen in a meditation. Goal is how I can go into that state of consciousness that is beyond my body, mind, and beyond all the thoughts, all the things, and detached from everything, but at the same time witnessing all, being everywhere. If you read it in a book, it's very difficult to understand. But if you experience it now, you know this. You know what is the state of Sada Shiva. What is the state of Sada Shiva? Shiva is more involved with the mind and body and creation. Sada Shiva is more detached in the conscious level.
ऐगिरि नन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठ